our tour guide. Top of the world, and the only explanation I can find is the love of my phone. As you can see, Makasipat, we're here in Hong Kong Station here in Taiwan, Makasipat, and we are going to tour around this place, Makasipat. Our tour guide is explaining the zoo. Our tour guide explaining. This is the one, Makasipat, that we will ride, Makasipat. We will ride here, Makasipat. In 5 minutes, we will ride this type of ride.
Don't go up.
Don't go out. Oh, okay.
Keep it
Car
in
cable.
car.
This is car cable kasi we will. This is our first time to. This is our first time, Makasipat, to ride a car cable, Makasipat, here in Taiwan, Makasipat. Very nice place, Makasipat. We will follow our tour guide. Dear moment. Wow, there's a plenty of tourists here, Makasipat. Different languages, Makasipat. I cannot understand them, Makasipat. There are lots of Filipino also here, Makasipat. CR. Wow, there is a cable car. Since we are tourists here, Makasipat,
Yan, mawala ang tubig ni Papa.
Hey guys, we will tour you around here, Makasipat. So, let's go, Makasipat. We will ride a car cable here in Taiwan, in Makong Station, Taiwan. There are many races here, Makasipat. Different phrases, different languages. So, we need to adjust, Makasipat. We need to adjust here, Makasipat. Because we will going to ride a car cable. See? We will be waiting, Makasipat, because there are plenty of people here is also in line on ticket for Papa. See? So what can you say about our travel now in Taiwan?
Very great. Walang karapatang kapuyon.
No.
Kasilagan and very mahal. Dapat walang karapatang kapoy-kapoy.
Bisaya English. So there's no space for tired. It's very, very, very expensive to be here. I have a friend here, very cute. Hi. This is the most beautiful I ever see in Taiwan. She's very angry na because some people are inserting and not following their line, Makasipat. So now there are also all senior citizens here. So Makasipat, there are different races, different languages. It's very nice in here. Waiting for a turn to ride on the cable car, Makasipat. Makasipat, while waiting, Makasipat, we're just sanding here, Makasipat, and wala lang, Makasipat. So we're very happy and very lucky to be here, and hopefully Makasipat can also visit here in Taiwan, Makasipat. This is our first destination, so Makasipat, we're waiting. We're so shy because many people is watching us. Bye.